Problem 10. We are given a rug that is made of three different colors. The area of the three differently colored regions form an arithmetic progression. The inner rectangle is 1 foot wide, and each of the two equally spaced regions is 1 foot wide on all four sides. What is the length in feet of the inner triangle? So, if we are going to be doing this, then let us think about what we need to do first. We need to understand that we need to find the length. So let's assume that to be x. If that were to be x, we know what? We know that the areas of the three different colored regions form an arithmetic progression. And so let's find the area of each region. I'll call this region 1, region 2, and region 3. The area of region 1 can be easily found, because that is no more than x, right? But what about area of region 2? Well, the area of region 2 is equal to this entire rectangle subtracted by the interior white rectangle. And so that would be equal to what? Well, this length right here will be equal to 1. And so the height will be equal to 3, and the width will be equal to x plus 2, right? X plus 2 times 3 will give me the area of the entire thing right here, which we need to subtract that with area 1, which is going just to be x. So with this, let's simplify. This is 3x plus 6 minus x, which is the same thing as 2x plus 6. Now let's consider the area of region 3. The area of region 3 is going to be the area of this entire rectangle subtracted by area 2, or the entire rectangle, not area 2. So we're going to have to do that entire interior rectangle, but let's find the outer rectangle first. The height of this is 1, and the height of this is also 1. And so the entire height would be 5 ones summed together, which is the height is going to be 5, and what is the width? Well, the width is going to be x plus 4, right? Because it's 2 on the left and 2 on the right. So that would be the area of the entire rectangle, but we got subtract this by 3 of x plus 2, 3 times x plus 2, because that is the area of the interior rectangle. And so simplify 5x plus 20, right, minus 3x minus 6 is the same thing as 2x plus 14. With this out the way, we have basically solved the question, because what do we know? We know that area 1, right, area 2, and area 3 form an arithmetic progression, and so they're separated by a common distance of d. And so we can say, therefore, a2 minus a1 is the same thing as a3 minus a2. And so if we just simplify this a little bit, a2 minus a3 is the same thing as, or we can't, no, we can't do that. We have to do a3, right, plus a1 is the same thing as 2a2. And so we have all the values for each of the areas, and so let's just plug it in. The area 3 is no more than 2x plus 14, and area 1 is no more than x, which is equal to 2 times this, so it's 2x plus 6. And now with this, we just simplify it. This is 3x plus 14 is equal to 4x plus 12. And so if we subtract 3x on both sides, x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, that will be the length, and therefore your final answer will be answer choice B.